Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Before starting the video, let me remind you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because I know you already did, but in case you didn't, I should be reminding you. So today what we're gonna go with is Two Dots. This game was so, I don't have the words to explain how much fun I had and how much annoyance sometimes I had. This is an amazing game. Are you bored at home? Go play this. Are you bored at bus going home? Play this. And you might think this game is not just some game. It is useful in some way. It's like showing you more than you actually can see. So what can we do? Let me just start, right? As you can see, we have play, connect, or restore account. I already had an account, but you don't have to have an account to play, which is a very good thing for me, I think. I'm gonna go with play now. Yes, collecting dots. Yeah, welcome to Two Dots. Thank you. The connections can be any shape, and it's just this is what they want from us, but not diagonal. Yeah, it's not happening. Brilliant. You're ready for your first puzzle. Let's see. Let's go. But I did a lot. Let's play this first one. So I'm gonna go like this. And do you see that when you make a square, it is like what you should be trying to do, actually. And if you can leave some shapes inside of that square, would be way better. I'm not gonna do that. And the other good thing is, when you realize that you're making a mistake, you can just release and then you won't be making that mistake. It's almost done. We're almost done, but let me show you. Do you see that I left the two yellow thing inside of the square? And it's gonna pop up more. Remarkable. I knew it. I was very good at this game. I almost finished it. But then, Corona came and stuff like that. That's how I started it. And yes, I have 1045 points. You can compete with your friends. You can share your score if you would like to be bragging about it. Or you can play it again. Let's say continue. Now we're gonna see the real interface actually. Let's go. We're waiting. Yeah. For now, I'm not gonna go. So let me show you. Actually, this is very cute, and when you guys start going up, you will see even way better things. Like the graphics are amazing. It's very cute. You just want to be doing this to their cheeks. I'm talking about this two little. Yes. So what can we do is we can go click, but I'm not gonna do it now. So let me show you a little bit around. So I don't know if you can see here, we have a setting on the top right corner. I don't know why my mouse is not showing right now. Let me try it again. So yeah, I don't know, still doesn't work, but you can see that there is a setting on the top right corner. When we click there, we can connect. As you see, I am chunky cloud. We have options. Let's see what our options. We can turn on or turn off our music, SFX, which is effects, color blind. Yes, that's amazing that they do have they do have the options for colorblind people. And we can turn on the power save, of course. Let's go to help. In mechanics, tutorials will open in this web browser. For example, when you go further and further, you will be seeing other options such as, you will have clouds, meteors, sundots, or like ice, fire. You might not know what they actually are or how they work. So when you click on them, you will actually go to web browser and tutorials will open. So this is what, let's see what we have here. Your adventure continues. Like, I really liked it. You see, like, when you go like this, it's blocking the way out, but the graphics, they're nice. So from here, we have like daily. I don't know if you can see on the left corner, left top corner, we have the stick icon, and when we tap on that, we have our daily cast, and the cast unlock at level 12. When you get to level 12, you will have your daily cast, and you will be playing unbeaten levels to collect stamps and earn a reward that you can use during playing the game. And we have leaderboards here. Right now I'm level 1. In my medal I only have 1. I have 3 stars. But to see leaderboard, you can connect to your Facebook account this game, and then you can see which one of you is winning among your friends. So we also have coins, and the thing is, we have lives in this game. How does it work is this: for example, you have 5 lives, right? But let's assume that you were not able to finish the level, you couldn't, and one of your heart goes, and one heart, as I remember, it is like, how is it? It's refilling in 8 minutes. But let's see. I don't remember it right now. We will see. You can purchase gold, so you can buy some other things for the game. So let's go for now. And if you realize, for colorblinds, what they did was adding these shapes. Let's start. I want to go like that and go like that. I will just, what I will do is this. But it's even like this you can finish, I think. I will try to fail this one, so I can show you guys how you lose your life and how it gets refilled. But I'm pretty sure you're not able to lose. You see? So what I'm gonna do, unless I have 5 moves left, I will just be doing these ones. Yeah, let's see. Ooh, I cannot do any red one. Let's go. Yes. Okay. Other moves. So now we have the option to buy 5 moves and get a free bomb drop. I'm not gonna do that. You can do it if you want to. And from this eye icon, like it's an info icon, it is actually showing you what those things bombing drop works for. And it's saying add some bombs to your board for an explosive bonus. Okay, got it. But we don't want it. So as you can see, you lost a life. Only a minor setback. No lives are refilling in 20 minutes. I didn't know that. So you can play again from here, or look at this cuteness. Or you can go to your map and see where you're at, but we already know where we're at since we're only in the second one. So this is how it is pretty much. It's very fun. You should keep playing. Like, there is another world here, and yeah, sometimes you're gonna be annoyed, but you should give it a shot because this is a good game. Even like everything is quality. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions about this video, let me know on the comments. And if you have any suggestions about me, my channel, also let me know in on the comments, so I can be down there trying to answer your questions. And at the same time, I will be reading your suggestions, so I can be like, oh, this is a good suggestion, this is a good idea, so I should work on it, or I should think about making a video like this. So if you like this video and found it helpful, you know what I mean by saying found it helpful? I explain it every time. What I mean by that, you were bored and you were looking for a good game to play, and now you got it. That means I help you. So go hit that like button. And if you, like I told you in the beginning, if you forgot to subscribe to my channel, go and subscribe right now. Hit that button too, so we can see each other in my next videos. So see you guys in my next videos.